Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to swing a badminton racket properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now I'm assuming at this point that you've mastered or you've at least learned about the various badminton racket grips that you can use, because you're going to have to alternate your grip for the various swings. In this video, I'll be going over some basic swinging techniques and then showing you 4 essential swings that you should learn, okay? So basic swinging techniques. When you're swinging a badminton racket, it's different than swinging a tennis racket. When you're swinging for tennis, okay, and my brother-in-law is a tennis instructor, so I've learned this for a long time. When you're swinging a tennis racket, you need to follow through with the swing, and it's a lot of shoulder, a lot of arm movement. When you're swinging a badminton racket, it's a little bit of shoulder, but it's more of a wrist flick like that, okay? I know you're like, wow, that's so fast. It is so fast. You're right, you hear that? Crazy fast, okay? So I'm the right person to learn this from, okay? All right, so essentially, when you're swinging the badminton racket, you're gonna do a little bit of an arm movement, but you're gonna do a lot of a wrist flick. So your arm is leading you to this position where you're gonna sort of be able to hit the object, okay? And then your wrist is what's doing the hitting. Your arm is bringing your wrist and your racket to the right spot, but then your wrist is what's doing the hitting. So essentially, when you're swinging, your arm brings it there, but your wrist, that flick of the wrist is what gives you the power, okay? So essentially that's basically it. The other thing is to look at the object with your eye, okay? With your eyes. You don't want to focus your eyes or your visual focus on the badminton racket. You want to focus on the object that you're about to hit. So when you're about to hit that birdie, you can go like that. Very simple, okay? Or whatever it is that you're playing badminton with, because I know other people use different things that they play badminton with. That's why I keep saying object instead of birdie, okay? Because it's kind of up to you and your own playing style. Now, what are the 4 essential types of swings that you can do, okay? The first one is going to be your forehand overhead swing, okay? So you're gonna go with your forehand grip and you're gonna swing overhead like that and flick of the wrist. When your arm gets to about here, the rest is with the wrist, because if you go further forward and you go like this, you're swinging against the ground. You want to make connection right there when your racket is basically, even right here, slightly vertical, so it just goes above the net. So like that, okay? Just like that. Then you have your forehand underhand grip, your forehand underhand swing, which is the same thing, but if the object is going low, same thing. But you're gonna swing a little bit further forward now because you do want it to go up in the sky to get over the net. So instead of making connection here, you're gonna make connection right here, basically, just like that. Okay, so once again, follow through. And I like to line it up. So if the birdie was coming this way, I'd go like this and just like that, okay? You can go a little bit to the side, lower, it all depends on where it's coming to you, okay? The next thing is going to be your backhand overhead swing. So once again, you're gonna get your backhand grip, which is your thumb providing you with the power. You're gonna go up like that, okay? Very simple, up, and basically, your arm is going to get your racket in place, and then just like that. You don't have to put I always sort of use my hand to guide my racket as well, but that's just a personal thing, right? You can just go like this, just like that, okay? And then the 4th one is going to be your backhand underhand, which is the same thing. For your backhand, you're going to be placing your weight on your front foot, okay? Or leading your weight to your front foot because you want to lead into the shot. So same thing, just like that, okay? Depending on where you get the object, just like that. And you want to make connection so it goes up over the net, just like that. So your wrist essentially is doing the majority of the work with regards to the swinging. Your arm is just getting your racket and your wrist in the right spot. And that is basically it. That is how to swing a badminton racket properly, a full tutorial for swinging it and the sort of the basics of swinging, and then the different grips and different swings that you can do. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.